There's G. It is August something. We just got back from Wisconsin. We're playing a little game tonight, aren't we? Where's the baby? There he is. There he is. Where's baby G? There he is. Where's the baby? There he is. You were laughing before. Can you laugh again? Where's the baby? There he is. Yeah. Where's Graham? There he is. Where's the baby? There he is. Oh, you gotta go hold of it. Where's baby Graham? There he is. Oh. Where's the baby? There he is. All right. Well, you had good giggles before, but I don't hear them now. We'll have to try again another day. We'll have to try again another day to catch your giggles. Because they are hilarious, aren't they? Hilarious. Where's Graham? There he is. Oh. Oh. Where's the baby? There he is. Oh. Where's Graham? There he is. Do you have anything you want to say to the people? Nothing to say all of a sudden? Alrighty. We'll see him again another day. Say bye-bye.